everyone, this is me Unnati Verma and today I'm going to teach you about future tense. In my earlier videos I have already discussed about past tense and present tense. If you have not watched them then please do visit my channel. First we will be discussing about future indefinite tense and future continuous tense. So let's get started. Before studying about future indefinite tense and the future continuous tense, you should know the helping verbs which are required in future tense. The helping verb which are used are will and shall. As you all know, in indefinite tense, the first form of verb is used. In continuous, the first form with ing is used. And in the perfect tense, main verb third form is used. Now, with the help of these information, let us proceed further. So first we will be discussing about the future indefinite tense. The trick to know about the future indefinite tense is the sentences which are ending with ga, gi, ge. For example, लक्ष्मण यह काम करेगा. तो यह काम मतलब फ्यूचर में हो रहा है तो गा से एंडिंग हो रही है तो ये नॉर्मल फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस है. अगर हम इसको अफर्मेटिव में देखेंगे सो द रूल फॉर अफर्मेटिव इज सब्जेक्ट देन विल एंड शेल द हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल बी यूज्ड एंड देन द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. अगर हम नेगेटिव देखेंगे सो नॉट विल बी एडेड इन नेगेटिव एंड इन इंटेरोगेटिव द sentence will start with will and shall. For example, will you do this work? Shall we go further? So these are the example of interrogative. Future indefinite is जो काम हमारा पूरे तरीके से भविष्य में अभी होना बाकी है, अभी वो काम हुआ नहीं है, वो यह काम करेगा, लक्ष्मण यह काम करेगा. Indefinite is which is not completely done. That is future indefinite tense. I hope you are clear with affirmative, negative and the interrogative. Move forward to future continuous tense. Future continuous tense tells us the person will be doing this work. It is in continuity. So the rule for future continuous tense is the same as subject and then the helping verb, and the main thing here is be. The be is the main thing in future continuous tense and then main verb first form ing and object. Again in negative we add not and unless it is all same. I hope you all are clear with future indefinite and the continuous tense, and for more video do